Unleash the future of visual creation with Higgsfield, where imagination meets intelligent design. Witness the intuitive power of our drag-and-drop interface, making asset management and scene composition effortless. Our cutting-edge AI understands your vision, generate photorealistic textures from simple text descriptions, bringing your concepts to life with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Explore the limitless possibilities of procedural generation, craft complex, data-driven environments and objects that adapt and evolve with your project's needs. Experience fluid animation control with real-time playback and intuitive keyframing, allowing you to sculpt motion with precision and grace. Our advanced ray tracing engine delivers breathtakingly realistic lighting and shadows, adding depth and atmosphere to every scene. Stylize your creations with a vast library of artistic filters and rendering styles effortlessly switch between looks to find the perfect aesthetic for your project. Higgsfield, empowering creators to build the extraordinary. Download today and redefine what's possible.